Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and fix TikTok photo swipe not working. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, simply gonna go ahead step into our video. For the matter, the very first thing gonna be is for you to see if your app is updated or not. Go to Play Store, type in TikTok over here, and simply go ahead see if your app is updated or not. Once you have seen it, you will simply find this option called update over here. Once you have updated that, then that problem will be solved. If it still doesn't work, then you're gonna go ahead, access your settings, scroll down to the bottom till you find this option called apps. Now go ahead, find this option app called your particular TikTok app, and go ahead, tap on this option called storage right over here, and simply tap on this clear cache, clear out all of the cache from your TikTok, and this will simply solve your problem. Make sure you check your internet connection as well. If it's not good, then that can make the problems appear. So that is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.